At Union Grove High School, Youth Apprenticeship gives students the opportunity to gain real-world experience while still in high school, connecting classroom learning with paid, hands-on training in local businesses. Youth Apprenticeship is a win-win partnership between schools and employers. It's an incredible way for students to explore careers, build confidence, and get a head start on their future.
Southport got involved with the Youth Apprenticeship with Union Grove to create a path for people to get into the trades. The Youth Apprentices are a great contribution here at Southport. We have them in various different types of fields, keeps production going, and it's a great path for them to learn. The biggest thing I witnessed with Ethan and Jake is maturity and a sense of pride.
I'm a youth apprentice from Union Grove in plumbing for Southport Engineered Systems. I like running water lines underground because it's very hands-on. I'm a Union Grove youth apprentice for HVAC here at Southport Engineered Systems. I like learning through a youth apprenticeship more than traditional classrooms because it helps me learn a lot faster.
The value of youth apprenticeship really is mentorship, and them getting the chance to work with patients is so much more than healthcare, but it's also customer service. Having Alexis in our clinic has been a wonderful experience. She's professional, dependable, and eager to learn. It's rewarding to watch students grow in confidence and discover a passion for helping others.
I'm a senior at Union Grove High School, and I'm part of the Youth Apprenticeship program at Athletico. I like being able to work hands-on with people and learn skills in the moment instead of just through a textbook.
Youth Apprenticeship helps students discover their interests and gain valuable experience before graduation. It's about connecting education to opportunity. We're proud to partner with local businesses like Southport and Athletico to prepare our students and strengthen our community.